Luxury design is rarely about adding more elements. Instead, it is about making every element count. Today, how to design elegant premium frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a warm white background and keep the workspace intentionally uncluttered. Insert one large rectangular frame slightly off-center and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the subject feels balanced and prominent. Duplicate the frame and move the copy behind the original. Enlarge it slightly and reduce its transparency to create a soft layered border effect. Add a thin geometric line